Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chewy fudge brownies. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 box of Duncan Hines Chewy Fudge Brownie mix, 2 large eggs, 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 tablespoons of water. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are at a high altitude, preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit instead. This initial preparation ensures a smooth baking process, setting you up for delicious results. Next, combine the brownie mix, vegetable oil, eggs, and water in a large bowl. Stir these ingredients together until they are well blended, which usually takes about 50 strokes. Then, prepare your baking pan by greasing and flouring a 9x 13-inch pan. This step prevents sticking and ensures your brownies release easily. Finally, pour the mixed batter evenly into the prepared pan, spreading it to the edges. Now it's time to bake. Place your pan in the center of the preheated oven. For a 9x 13-inch pan, bake for 24 to 27 minutes. If using a glass pan, add 3 to 5 minutes to the baking time. You'll know the brownies are done when a toothpick inserted 1 inch from the edge comes out clean. Once baked, cool them completely in the pan on a wire rack before cutting. For the neatest squares, refrigerate the brownies for 30 minutes before slicing. Once your delicious chewy fudge brownies are completely cooled, cut them into 2-inch squares. They are perfect served warm or at room temperature, making them a versatile treat for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, as well as other great deals. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container to maintain their freshness and chewiness for several days. Enjoy your homemade, fudgy goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.